Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. Just comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style as well. I've actually introduced this wig to you before in black and color 30 and black in 350 or 900, and also so today I want to try on this color. It's color 33 and 30, because I also realized that my client love color 33. So let me just try it on, guys. And again, just comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style, and if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one. I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. So like I think in the next few days I'm going to try my wig, the wig that I've introduced to you before, but just different colors. So it's very simple, easy to manage. Just put it on like that, and by the way, it's so secure even without the combs. They have elastic band at the back, so this is how it looks. If you feel like the band is loose at the back, you can just tighten it. And then also if you feel like it's too tight, you can sew an extra band that I always send with my wigs. Yeah, but so this is how it looks, guys. What do you think? Do you love the color? Do you love the style? Guys, when you try the wigs on, especially because of shipping, you might find like the lines are folded. So just make sure after you try it on, just do that to make the braids straight. Just do that, okay? Just to make it have the shape, the original shape, like that. And also most of you have been asking me which oil to apply on the wigs, on the braided wig. You can apply olive. I love olive. Actually, you can apply any oil, any spray that is shiny if you want the wig to be shiny.